In this video, I'll show you how to make a time series chart. So time series data follows some type of chronological number. So here we have from 1998 to 2008, the number of subscribers in millions to phones, and then as well as their average phone bill. So we want to create a time series that shows the comparison between these two things. So I'm going to first do subscribers in millions. Selecting both of them, I'm going to insert charts, and then I'm using a scatter plot with straight line connectors. And that gives us the number of subscribers. I'm going to add the axis titles, and this is phone subscriptions. Down on this axis, it's the number of subscribers, the year. And then up here is the number of subscribers. And that's in millions. So that gives us one time series chart. We can see the number of subscribers has gone up in time. If you want to adjust any of these lines, you can make some adjustments. So you can go to Format Major Grid Lines and make these changes in here. Excuse me, selected the wrong one. Under Axes Options, I'm going to make it be 1 unit at a time. And that way it doesn't have quite as many years off. You could change the number of subscribers. You could also not start at 0. You could wait and start at 50. Whatever is needed to make it show the trends you need to make noticeable. And then to make things easier, I'm going to copy and paste the years here, and then copy and paste the bill there so that these are side by side. And I can just follow the same process to get my next one. And so this shows the average bill. Over time. I'm going to add my axis titles again. And this is year down here. And this is phone bill in dollars. And so that gives us both of them. But for this one, I'm going to do some more axis manipulation. So I still have the menu up to the right, so I just have to select it and go to the axis menus. I'm going to change it to 1 year again. And as soon as you click out, it makes that adjustment. Now I'm going to click on this axis, and you can see both from our data as well as from here that nothing really happens until 39. That's our lowest price. And so I'm going to change my minimum to 35 and change my units to 5. So that now I've got something that is zoomed in a little bit better. And it looks now like there was a big change at the beginning. So you can somewhat adjust your axes if you want to make these changes noticeable. If we had put them on the same axis, then with starting at 0, then the phone bill would look relatively flat compared to the number of subscribers, and it is. The phone bill has changed only a few dollars, and subscriptions have changed by a few 100 million of people. But this is how you would create a time series chart in Excel.